I have a new plan. We destroy a lot of trees and build some unnecessary buildings. My ideas are awesome, not so fast. Did you know over 80,000 acres of rainforest are destroyed each day, because people like you think, oh, let's burn down some trees so I can have some more space to grow my daisies, but my daisies are so pretty. And my tulips kick heads. My tulips kick heads. Have you ever seen a picture of a tiger? Yeah. Tigers are like the most practical animals ever. Maybe even the most ferocious, except for honey badgers. They don't care, well, about one animal species goes extinct every 15 minutes. Tigers could be next. Oh no. Well, how was I supposed to know that? I'm from Texas. There's no rainforest there. Did you ever go to school? Maybe. Well, if you did, you would have learned that trees are important to us. See, poisonous fumes called greenhouse gases taint the atmosphere and make air unsafe to breathe. These come from pollution, fossil fuels, which are made from burning oil, and anything else that you cannot inhale. Trees release oxygen for us to breathe, which also reduce greenhouse gases. Wow. I feel like a jerk, but you can still help to reduce greenhouse gases by not polluting as much. Say, ride your bike to work. Hello. Presidential candidate here, I forgot. But in your next speech, maybe tell everyone else not to pollute. That's a nice idea. Everybody, stop polluting the atmosphere. Wear a sweater instead of turning up the thermostat. Turn off the TV when you are getting a snack. And when you are throwing away recyclables, put them in the right bin. Wow. Is this why you won? Probably.